Well, I believe it's one piece of a big puzzle. We are aiming for 100% decarbonization, which of course is a big challenge, but 100% can only be taken one step at a time. And I think retrofit is one of those steps.
The Retrofit project has been and is a very, very interesting project because we are part of a consortium in which there are many industrial partners coming from different nations, and we have the opportunity to share the experience in different sectors. And together we had the possibility to discuss about what is possible to do in the next future for decarbonization.
That is very interesting for us to know how they are working and how they are facing their problems and know better how we can help them. We have two main results that can be very interesting for Europe. So the first one is the artificial intelligence that we are developing in the project, and also the other one is the decision support system, the DSS.
The main purposes of the project are to improve the decarbonization in Europe.
Another important target is that improve our digitalization level.
I think the most important points of the project is to work along the whole value chain of the process, from the raw material preparation to the end, and all this wrapped with the modelization and DSS systems.
The challenge now is huge to decarbonize, and this project deals with this in a very simple way. What we can do in an old plant to improve its performance regarding decarbonization.
I believe it's a good mixture of physical, technical challenges and their analytics and knowledge part. So I think it's a good path.
We developed different ways to modify and to retrofit our process. We have learned a lot about this kind of replacement. We know what we can do and what we cannot do, and how we can go on in the next few years.
We have started a pathway to reach the zero emission, but this is only the first step in our trip, and we had the opportunity to evaluate something, but we are at the beginning of this kind of pathway.
The partners of the project are examples of the most important sectors in which the decarbonization must be done.
We have demonstrated that we can adapt our installation or processes to new raw materials or to new fuels for our processes. So this is a very good result.
I think in the end we are a sort of hub of all the knowledge that comes from each different experience of the project. So I think it was a pretty peculiar and an important role, and we're glad that we did a very good job.